Hey guys, welcome to this month's stock market recap. I am Robert Montes with Link Financial Advisory. Today we're going to be going over what helped the market, what hurt the market, and your key takeaways for the month of June 2025. So let's first start off with our recap as a whole. It was a fantastic month uh, as far as the market was concerned for June. Every major index here in the United States was up. So we saw the S&P 500 up 5%. We saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average up about 4.3%. And then we saw the Nasdaq up 6.6%. So every major index here in the United States was up. The reasons for this was a couple big ones, three main ones. Number one was, even though it was an international thing, it was a major issue here domestically, was the ceasefire between Iran and Israel. Obviously, tensions escalated when we bombed Iran's nuclear facilities, and everyone was a little bit on edge, wondering where that was going to go. However, we did see a ceasefire come into effect, which was huge, not only as a global sigh of relief that we avoided a major conflict, but more so too, it also helped stabilize energy prices, which is a very big indicator and definitely a big contributor to market performance here domestically. The second thing we saw was the Fed hint at rate cuts in the very near future. So that drives optimism. Obviously, as rates come down, it helps the economy tremendously. So that is something that people are paying attention to that definitely was bolstering some of the performance that we saw. The third thing that we saw was the trade talks between China and the United States continue to progress. So that is going the right direction as of right now. As those continue to move in the right direction, it is also just helping people feel more stable with what's going on in the economy and bolstering investor confidence. As far as what hurt the market, there wasn't really a lot that hurt the market last month. There's more just things we're paying attention to. So I mentioned just a second ago how tariffs are going in the right direction. Trade talks as far as tariffs are going in the right direction. They're still not finalized. So that's something that we're going to continue to pay attention to, because if that goes sideways, it will definitely have major economic impacts here domestically with how markets are performing. As far as key takeaways, the more I do these videos, guys, the more I'm just reminded on how much volatility there always is in the market, and how from week to week we'll be up and down. There's always a major headline. There's always something drastic that seems potentially catastrophic, and it comes and it goes, and we just keep moving on. So I would just remind you guys, don't get caught up in the weeds. Just stay the course. Stick to your long-term strategy. Talk to your advisor if you have questions about what's going on. And if you're out there and you're looking for a second opinion, or maybe you're just ready to have someone else kind of take over that part of of what you're doing with your finances, we're here to help you. Feel free to reach out. All of our contact info is listed below. We'd love to be a value-added resource for you and help you out. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a great day. Take care.